In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Sibley Connector. Let's get started. The Sibley Connector comes in a carry bag with a 1.54 meter cotton sheet, about 5 or 13 feet, guy lines, pegs, and a pole set. Let's set it up. Place the metal ring of the fabric over the A-frame pin. Set up the poles. You can set up the Sibley Connector in different ways. Let's take a look. The Sibley Connector is an accessory for your tent and links two tents or creates a covered entrance. Compatible with all Sibley models, available in sand and green. That's how you install the Sibley Connector. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!